Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Shimpa Masagarachano, a faith healer o Mata reader. So ngayong hapon natatagan natin na nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a monthly gabay for the month of November 2023 for the sign of Aquarius. So Aquarius, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit notification bell for more videos up there. And of course, guys, maraming salamat sa walang sawag suporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapagsiksik tindig o umapang bumalik sa inyong biyaya. Maraming salamat. Umpisahan na natin ang totoong laban. So, nagbabalik. Charis. Angel Spirit Messages. So, tingnan natin ang pinaka-messages sa ng ating mga gabay. There's a Six of Pentacles. So, sinasabi na magtutuloy-tuloy na about sa finances. Kasi there's a Six of Pentacles for me, ha? Kumaga magtutuloy-tuloy na raw yan dahil there's a giving and receiving something na kumaga parang signs ng universe na kumaga parang gift, no? Or there's sudden changes sa parang binibigyan ka ng ano to kumaga blessedness, guys. Ganon. There's a blessedness, guys. So, let's see additional messages. Wow! The Sun card, pasabog. There's a pure positivity. At the same time, oh my God. There's a devil. Let's see. Additional messages. Because there's an Knight of Wands. So, there's a slow and steady. No? Kailangan maging kalmado ka kasi there's a devil. No, hindi ka pwedeng maintain ng ulo or maging padalos-dalos. With the Ace of Wands, there's a new beginning and good news. At sinasabi sa dito, mayroong Four of Wands by celebration or twin flame energy. At sinasabi dito, there's a homecoming, no? Or wedding. So, let's see what is the Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles, there's a higher fund, a lesson learned, there's an education, no? Kumbaga dapat matuto ka na sa lahat or values, no, about sa finances, na magtutuloy-tuloy daw yan, the way daw, pag nagiging mabuti ka at naging mabibigay ka, kumbaga ang blessing talaga mag-uumapaw sa'yo. So, let's see what is the Sun card. There is a Page of Wands, a good news. May magandang balita daw dito with the Sun card. And because there is Three of Pentacles. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a devil energy. Kumbaga, baka merong kakatrabaho dito gumagawa ng black magic sa'yo. Or something, merong teamwork or merong gumagawa talaga sa'yo ng, kumbaga, group of people. So, let's see what is the Nine of Wands. And of course, there's a Wheel of Fortune. Slow and steady, no? Kumbaga, there's a good luck coming in for you. Iikot yung kapalaran, mabagal man, pero sigurado, no? So, what is the Ace of Wands? Nakakaranas ka ng kagipitan, and of course, nakakaranas ka ng karangyaan or something, nakakaranas ka ng mabagal na pagtakbo, pero sinasabi ko sa'yo dito, sigurado na pag-ikot nito, kumbaga, sasayo na at papabor na sa'yo ang sitwasyon. And of course, there's a King of Wands, there's a vision, no? Kumbaga, tingnan mo dito yung bigger picture of yourself or something na, kumbaga, always think positive and of course of being optimistic, no? Kaya kailangan maging positive ka in all the time. So, what is the Four of Wands? Four of Wands represent the Two of Pentacles. There's a balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance no? Kailangan pagdating sa celebration or homecoming or gastos kailangan mong balance. So, what is the Six of Pentacles? And of course, the higher side. There's a King of Swords, no? There's a truth reveal, no? And of course, there is an information na kailangan maging wais at maging matalino, no? Sa pagdidesisyon, there's an education. So sinasabi dito, there's a past memories na sinasabi na kailangan matuto ka na sa, kumbaga, pinagdaanan mo, mga nararasan mo, about sa finances, no? Kumbaga, tumulong kaming mga tao dyan na, kumbaga, naging mataas at talagang, di ba, hindi na makabalik at makalingon sa pinanggalingan. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, huwag kang gagaya sa kanila. Bagkus magpatuloy ka at marunong ka pa rin tumanaw ng utang na loob. So, let's see what is the Sun card in the Page of Wands. And of course, there's a Ten of Swords. There's a painful ending. You know, some of you, there's a backstabbing. No? So, ibig sabihin dito, makikilala mo na at matatapos na yung mga traidor, no? Or impostor. So, what is the Devil? And the Three of Pentacles. And because there's an Hierophant, there's an Hierophant is in the that card. Oh my God. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's an unexpected or there's an hidden, no? Parang dito, akala mo, natural yung pagkamatay ng mga kamag-anak mo or something na mahal mo sa buhay. Pero meron palang hidden agenda dyan, no? Talagang there's a death card na talagang may issues, no, about sa black magic na ginawa sa iyong person or sa inyong family related. And of course, there's a high priestess, there's an unexpected moment or there's an hidden agenda na kailangan tapusin nyo na, no? Ang sigalot at talagang yung line, no, ng about sa black magic, kailangan nyo nang tapusin to, yung history na yan, kailangan nyo nang putulin yan, kailangan nyo nang, hindi na magpatuloy sa mga susunod na henerasyon nyo, no? Kumbaga, parang may nasisense ako dito na mukhang kadena to na dugtong-dugtong kayong ginawa ng black magic. So, what is the Knight of Wands? And of course, the Wheel of Fortune. And of course, guys, there's the word card. There's a word card represent a trouble or there's an information na magdadala sa success and achievement. Kumaga, maaaring umikot na yung kapalaran na inaantay mo makapag-ibang bansa ka. So, this is time na makakaalis ka na, no? Kumaga, ang tagal lang inantay mo. So, this is it. Makakaalis ka na. So, what is the Ace of Wands and the Knight of Wands? The Ace of Wands and the Knight of Wands. So, there's an Empress card. There's a revert, no? Kumbaga, meron ditong renewal, no? Panibagong ganap sa buhay mo, no? Kumbaga, makakapagsimula ka or may bago kang sisimulan na proyekto, trabaho, negosyo, or ano man yung uri ng about sa finances. So, what is the Four of Wands? And of course, the Two of Pentacles. There's a Four of Swords. Listen to your intuition and listen to your gut feeling. Now, lagi kang makikinig sa bugso ng damdamin mo kapag alam mo nararamdaman mo na something wrong or something good news. Kumbaga, do it, no? Makinig ka sa intuitions or inner voice mo. Let's see what is the outcome. Ang outcome is the Page of Cups, no? Listen to your intuitions nga. Ano pa? Additional. There's a Three of Cups. So, there's a friendship or some of you, baka kaibigan mo yung gumagawa sa'yo or katrabaho mo or something na kapitbahay mo, gano'n. And of course, there's a Page of Pentacles. There's a manifestation, investment na kailangan mo mag-invest sa sarili mo, mag-invest sa, kumbaga alam mo magkaroon ng growth and expansion. At the same time, there's a justice. Don't you worry, the karma is coming. Always remember na merong, there's a law of karma. No, kumbaga may mga taong gumawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda, pero at the end of the time, kumbaga ibabalik din sa kanila what they deserve. Tandaan mo yan. So let's see what is the Love Oracle card. Kumbaga, nandun na tayo sa karma, diba? That there's a law of karma, pero you need to protect yourself pa rin, no? Kumbaga, nandun na tayo, oo, nandun na yun, bumabalik na nga sa kanila, pero kailangan matapos na no? Kailangan tapusin na, so kailangan protection mo yung sarili mo. Kumbaga, na-protection mo yung sarili mo, at least hindi ka na niya magagawa, pero yung continuous, yung karma sa kanya, kasi, kumbaga, ang karma dun sa mga taong gumawa ng black magic is for a lifetime, no? Panghabang buhay niya na yung dadalhin. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. There's a mask, I told you, diba? There's a not showing the truth identification. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na kung ano yung talagang adya o talagang gusto nilang gawin or something na yung personality nila, no? Kumbaga mayroon dyan nagbabalat kayo or feeling pretender or something na, kumbaga, magbibigay sa'yo ng kumbaga, makikilala mo na kagad na itong tao na to, no? Impostor to, gano'n. Kumbaga, plastic, gano'n. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's an abundance. No, magkakaroon ka talaga ng kasaganahan at the end of the time. And of course, there's a wedding ring. I told you, di ba? Talaga magkakaroon talaga ng wedding dito. And of course, there's a soul card shock. So, let's see what is a yin and yang oracle card. Let's see what is a yin and yang oracle card. There's a family home commitment. Talagang magkakaroon ka ng family, dito, no? Baka this time, no? This is your time na magkaroon ka ng family. And of course, naman bahay, sariling bahay, or something na magbibigay sila ng commitment. So, let's see what is usual messages. And of course, there's masculine. Wow, itong taon mo. Wow, bongga, masculine. Kumbaga, or either Aquarius, you are being masculine, no? Or kasi there's a masculine, hindi porket masculine is lalaki na. So there's may babae talagang malakas ang masculine energy or something. There's a third generation or third sex, no? Kumbaga merong there's tawag ito? gender preferences, no? Kumbaga, meron silang mataas na masculine energy, like, kumbaga, gay or something, bisexual, no? And then, of course, there's an attraction. Some of you, there's an hype, no? Kumbaga, nag-iinit. So, this is it. So, what is the Jesus loving quotes? What is the Jesus loving quotes? Okay, seek the kingdom of God, His righteousness, all the things shall be added to you. So, ibig sabihin, ipapakita muna sa iyo ni God kung anong kahalagahan ng buhay, kung anong kahalagahan ng sakripisyo, at anong kahalagahan ng paniniwala. No? At ibibigay niya sa iyo yung mga bagay na karapat-dapat para sa iyo. No? Kumbaga, may mga bagay tayo mararanasan natin, kumbaga sa dami natin pagsubok at sakripisyo, kumbaga, doon pala tayo pinatatatag, no? Bago niya makipakita sa iyo yung kahalagahan or talagang katumbas ng pag-ibig at pagmamahal at sakripisyo at tagumpay. And of course, sinasabi dito, prayer will help you from this situation. Gawing mong sentro si God. You always being prayer. No? Kailangan mo magdasal palagi. And of course, this situation is already resolved. Maaaring na solusyonan na itong problema pinagdaanan mo. No? Kumbaga, maaaring natapos na. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a denial. No? Kumbaga, i-acknowledge mo yung fear, palitan mo yan, replace mo yan ng awareness. At the same time, there's a service. So, some of you guys, there's a public servant. So, let's see what is the Monsology. Let's see what is the Monsology. You're very close to achieve your goal. No? Napakalapit mo na para may isa katuparan yung mga pangarap mo. Kaya kumapit ka. And of course, there's an adjustment are required. No? Kailangan mo mag-adjust sa mga bagay-bagay. No? Kumbaga gastos or mga possibilities or yung tiwala, no, sa ibang tao, no, kailangan mag-adjust ka, hindi buong tiwala lahat, no, kumbaga pakiramdaman mo, no. So let's see what is the energy. Kasi there's a lot of betrayal or pretender, no? Maraming plastic sa paligid mo, pero kailangan mo maging aware. Hindi mo dapat lubos lahat binibigay yung tiwala mo. And of course, magician in the mirror. There's a manifestation and reflection, no? Kung ito yung sinasabi na what goes around comes around, no? Kung ano man yung ginawa mo, babalik sa'yo. Kung ano yung mabuting ginawa mo, babalik sa'yo na mabuti. Kung ano masama mong ginawa, masama rin balik. And of course, angels of strength, no? Kumbaga sinasabi, palalakasin ng, kumbaga, katawan, paniniwala, and of course, palalakasin ng, kumbaga, loob mo, no? Harapin ang takot at pangamba. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's the cosmic heart. Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, make your life a moving fire. So, kailangan mo talaga ng devotion or pagdarasal, no? Kailangan mo talaga ng, yung lakas ng paniniwala, pananampalataya. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there is a oh my God, fire, transmutation or purification. Kailangan mo talaga maglinis. No? Kailangan mo linisin sa mga bagay-bagay, release the negativity, or kailangan mo linisin yung mga kasalanan mo. Or some of you, I told you, there's a cleansing. See? There's a cleansing. Kailangan mo talaga ng mag-cleansing. So, nandito tayo, hi guys, sa YouTube channel ko, How to Cleansing, no? Manood po kayo. And of course, there's a mystery, intuition, no? May misteryo dito. There's a mystery behind this, or there's a hidden agenda dito sa paligid mo, or dito sa whole month of November. May mystery dito. There's a truth reveal. And of course, there is a healing. Wow! Oh my God! Healing, cleansing, enlightenment, purification, lahat talaga sinasabi dito, may paglilinis at pag-alis ng negativity, no? Kumbaga, ito ay magkakaroon ka ng kagalingan at kaligayahan at kalinisan. So, let's see what is additional messages. So, sinasabi dito, makinig ka sa intuitions mo. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's an options, no? Maraming mga bagay na ipapasok sa iyo, mga opportunities, no? Tignan mo na lang yung magiging possibilities. And of course, there is an environmentalism. So, some of you guys talaga nasa paligid nyo, no? Maging aware kayo. Maraming mga nagsusubaybay sa'yo, maraming taong hinahanapan ng butas para masira ka, no? Kaya kailangan maging aware ka sa mga tao sa paligid mo na kumbaga kaharap mo lang yung kaibigan, pero pagtalikod niyan, sisiraan ka na niyan. And of course, leave a stressful situation behind. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo nang tapusin yung mga nagbibigay na sa'yo ng stress, no? Kumbaga, itong mga tao sa paligid mo, isa lang ang paniniwala at pagkakatiwalaan mo yung sarili mo. So, let's see what is additional messages. Okay, for the chakra, impartiality. So, kailangan mo maging balance. At the same time, bittersweet, no? Kumbaga, sa pagkatapos ng pait, may tamis ng tagumpay. 'Di ba? Sa dami mong pagsubok na pinagdaanan. So, let's see what is the Romance Angels. Retreat. So, ibig sabihin, it's time to disconnect from the world. So, kailangan mong mag-unwind or something, kailangan mong kumawala, no? Sa mundong puno ng kadiliman or something puno ng kumbaga stress or painful at sa lahat ng pain, no? Lahat ng mga nangyaring pain. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mo nang kumawala dyan sa lahat ng negativity nangyari sa'yo from the past. Or some of you, kailangan mo nang bitawan yung mga nangyari sa yung kamalasan from this past few months, no? October or September na nagbigay sa iyo ng stress or kalungkutan or sakripisyo or paghihirap. Kailangan mo na kumbaga i-embrace mo ang positivity ngayong November 2023 para makapag-attract ka ng mga magagandang eksena. And of course, sinasabi ng angels number there sa 1212, I am focused. Stay focused on your best possibility future and remain optimistic throughout the entire journey. Your angels are right behind you as you return through your dreams to reality. Ibig sabihin dito, may katuparan na magaganap dito at ang magsisilbing kaliwanagan sa lahat ng kaganapan sa buhay mo, no? So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga manatiling, maging manatiling, kumbaga, positive ka sa lahat ng bagay, no? Kumbaga, alisin mo yung mga negativities, alisin mo yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi makakatulong sa'yo, no? Kailangan maging balanse ka in all the time. So, guys, let's see what is the messages of life. Attaining peace. Today I turn within to find the source of experiences. There I find the peace that comes from seeking truth. I understand that the riches I discover within myself, the greater value that all the wealth of the outside world. Step by step, I continue my spiritual quest. Little by little, I free myself, rising ever higher and attaining through my inner peace. Ibig sabihin dito, magkaroon ka ng kapayapaan sa salita at sa gawa, no? At sa puso, no? Bigyan mo ng kapayapaan. Kasi maganda na yung lumayo at talagang alisin yung mga negatibo, lalo-lalo na yung mga tao sa paligid mo. No, yung mga naging sanhi ng pananakit at talagang stress sa buhay mo. No, kailangan mo nang pakawalan at kailangan mo nang bitawan yung mga tao na yan kasi hindi sila makakatulong para mag-grow at magkaroon ka ng pagbabago sa buhay mo. Bitawan mo na yung lahat ng negativity na nagdulot sa iyo ng kalungkutan at kumbaga kabiguan. So guys, this reading is a monthly gabay for the month of November 2023 for the sign of Aquarius. Maraming salamat Aquarius for your wonderful reading. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, guys, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal-siksitiglig nag-uumapaw ang manumbalik sa inyong biyaya. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!